Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. From 1st to 3rd of April at the Salesian House La Navarre, the inspectoral chapter of the France South Belgium Province FRB will take place on the theme of the next GC29, Passionate for Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. On the eve of World Youth Day last year, the Pope, in a dialogue with young people, reminded them that joy is missionary. Joy is not for oneself, it is to bring something. This invitation from an outgoing church is accepted by young people from different areas of the Salesian province of Ecuador, ECU, coming from oratories, schools, higher institutes, parishes and sanctuaries. Throughout the year, they continually prepare for one of the most significant experiences they live, the missions during Holy Week. The missionary groups of the province left some as early as Palm Sunday for their destination communities. Accompanied by educators, catechists, Salesians and even parents, they carried out their work in different places. Like every year, the spiritual exercises of the International Zefferino Namuncura community of Via della Bulfalotta, Rome, of theology students take place starting from the conclusion of the lessons at the Salesian Pontifical University before the Easter break until on Holy Thursday. This year, however, there was an element of novelty that characterized them. Guests of the Spirituality Center of Sacrofano, both the course of exercises took place simultaneously with the preaching led by Don Gianni Gilloni with a rereading in a spiritual and charismatic key of the memoirs of the oratory, in line with the bicentenary of the Dream of the 9 years and the exercises personally led for 12 confreres who have made this choice. Father Alfred Maravilla, General Counselor for the Missions, was on a mission animation visit to the Salesian community of Khuborjylla in the UAE from 27 to 31st of March to 2024. The UAE is a federation of 7 emirates along the east coast of the Arabian Peninsula. The largest of these emirates, Abu Dhabi, comprises more than 3/4 of the federation's total land area. Khuborjylla is one of the smaller emirates. Since the opening of a new container port in the early 1980s, the city of Khuborjylla has become a major transshipment point. Christians are free to worship in the UAE, but the spread of Christianity among Muslims is strictly prohibited. Salesians from the province of Chennai arrived in 2007 at the invitation of the Capuchin Apostolic Vicar to administer St. Mary's Catholic High School in the Apostolic Vicariate. They were also entrusted with the pastoral care of the nearby Our Lady of Perpetual Help parish. In the month of March, the Provincial Economic Commission of the Salesian Province of Northern Argentina, ARN, met for the second time since its establishment. The team, composed of the provincial economer, Father Roberto Carlos Camuso, the administrator of the commission, 2 Salesians, 2 administrators of works and a member of the commission, worked on various themes aimed at enhancing local and provincial economic resources, as well as outline lines of action for the development of a solidarity project and a circularity of goods project. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.